Welcome to Uping stock price prediction channel. So in this video, I will provide some analysis and the prediction about the AMC stock. So many people will be interested in that. So let's go to AMC. So this is the AMC monthly chart, and this is the AMC daily chart. So you know, for AMC, many months ago, AMC once went to about $70, and then during the past about 1 year, AMC stock price basically continuously drop. So right now it's about $14.74 in this kind of a range. So so many people will be interested in when it will start to have a time to have some kind of a rebound or reverse the trend. So you see, for this, it's basically during the past several months, it was general price is in this kind of a low price range is around $14, $15. So it's a kind of low price range, but many people will be still have some kind of a concern because you don't know how long it will stay in this kind of a low price region, or will it possible still to continuously go down, or those type of thing. So we need to find out, try to predict some kind of a good timing when it have a good opportunity to have a rebound or reverse. So right now, if you check this monthly chart, and you see for this monthly chart for the 2 months ago, and the low price region, even though it was fluctuated around this range, around a similar price range at this low price range, but there's still some difference in trend for this month. So for example, if this is a monthly chart, so that means each bar is a monthly chart, and this kind of blue trend line and the yellow trend line, so those are predicted the trend lines, target price for target price range. So this is predicted by the Uping stock prediction model. So you see for this month, so even though they are fluctuated around the same price range, but this is fluctuated below this trend line, and then when the last month the fluctuation range, even though they are fluctuated at the same range, but it's opened but it's fluctuated above this trend line, so it's a kind of a good sign. So this month it fluctuated slightly went up. You see, this is slightly went up, and this trend line, and it goes flat and also moves up. So that means this kind of decreasing momentum has been gradually reduced or stopped. So it will kind of has a time. It's a time to start to have a kind of rebound or increase or reverse the stock trend. So it will have some kind of a good opportunity, good chance to increase the price. And you see for this daily chart, and the daily chart for the last Friday, it opened for the last Thursday, it have a significant kind of a noticeable increase in the stock price. And for Friday, it opened below this yellow blue trend line, and then started to increase, and it was closed here. So you see these trend lines, all 5 trend lines are moving up, so it have increasing trend. That's for the early next week, and even for this weekly chart. For this weekly chart, and you see the last week it opened slightly around this blue trend line, and there was a time it was dropped down to this below this trend line, but in the last the latter of the week, it increased to here above this yellow trend line, and all these trend lines are also have the good increasing trend, and this is a little bit slightly tilted down, but so it means around this time range it may still have a little bit more fluctuation to fluctuate down to this range. So but generally it will start to have some kind of increasing trend, so it's a kind of at a low price range. So and if it will start to have this kind of increasing trend, so it's a good time to buy it, and hold, maybe hold for a little while. So let's check another model for AMC. Take a final look at AMC. You see this AMC, this weekly chart, and this is the AMC daily chart. And this daily chart right now, there's yellow or blue dots there. There's only a red dot here. There's a kind of a resistance around $15.6. $15.6. This is a resistance. So that means when the price increases to this level, it will start to have a temporary decrease, a temporary drop. So depends if it can break this resistance. If it can break through this resistance and can hold it here, and then it will have a good chance to increase to this $18.3 for the next week. So depends. This will show the different resistance level, and generally right now it's generally is located in a low price region. So if it started to have a good chance to start to have a kind of a reverse or rebound, and then it may show a good possibility to have a more aggressive rebound. So it depends. It depends on if it can break through this kind of a resistance. So if you are interested in this kind of analysis and prediction, you are welcome to subscribe Uping stock price prediction channel, or watch more video, or click your thumbs up. Subscribe the Uping channel.